there, young scientist. I am Christine Joan Barredo, and welcome to Science Grade 3 Global Citizenship Education Lesson Exemplar. In this module, you will learn how to classify solid, liquid, and gaseous objects and materials based on observable characteristics. As a global citizen, you will also be able to find ways on how to conserve these objects and materials and initiate actions for our environment. You can use the 6 thinking hats to guide you in understanding the lesson. The 6 thinking caps. White cap. What does the information tells us? Red cap. How do you feel about the information? Yellow cap. What are the advantages of knowing the information? Green cap. What are your ideas or suggestions? And blue cap. What are some ways that the problem can be improved or made better? And the last is black cap. What can you do to take action? These are the 6 thinking caps that can help you understand this lesson. You have the following before we start. First is your science module, and second is your whiteboard and marker. These are the rules to follow while classes are going on. Let's have a pre-test. Read and analyze each question carefully. Write the letter of the correct answer on your answer sheet. Are you ready? Let's look at the following pictures. What do you notice about their shapes? Write down the shape of the following objects found at school. One of the characteristics of objects is that they have different shapes. They can be square, rectangle, triangle, circle, and so on. We can group these objects according to their shapes. Objects also have different sizes. Color the big object green and the small objects blue. Objects and materials can also be described by its size. To find out the exact measurement, use a measuring tool like a ruler or a meter. It measures the size in terms of inches and in meters. Look at the following scales. Compare the objects by filling in the blanks to make the statement true using the words heavier, lighter, or equal. Number 1. The bananas are blank than grapes. Very good! The bananas are heavier than grapes. Second question. The oranges are blank to the pineapple. You've got it right. The oranges are equal to the pineapple. And number 3. The strawberry is blank than apple. Amazing! The strawberry is lighter than apple. Objects or materials also described by how much they weigh. Weights can be heavy or light and can be measured in terms of pounds, grams, or kilograms. Look around you. Everything in our environment is made of matter. Matter is defined as anything that has mass and occupies space. Matter makes up everything you can see and touch. It is available in different shapes and sizes. Are all matter the same? Well, a liquid such as water flowing from the falls is an example of matter. It has weight and occupies space. Matter can also be a solid, such as the rocks and soil surrounding the falls. It has mass and takes up space. A gas, such as water vapor, is also a matter. When water turns to water vapor and rises due to heat, it is carried in the air, which is a mixture of gases. It has weight and occupies space. Activity 1. States of matter and its characteristic. Compare the following objects. Write yes if the statement will describe the objects and no if it is not. Then identify what state of matter they belong. Number 1. Salt. Number 2. Blocks. Number 3, a liter of water in a pitcher. Number 4, the air inside the balloon. Activity 2, matter scavenging hunt. Look for the example of each state of matter found at home or in school. Which state of matter did you observe most often? Which state of matter did you observe least often? Characteristic of a solid. Solid is one of the forms of matter. We use our senses to describe its size, shape, color, and texture. Solid objects such as rocks, balls, and blocks are examples of solid matter. Solids have different characteristics. Solids are noticed by their color, size, shape, and texture. Solids come in different colors, such as red, blue, yellow, orange, green, brown, gray, white, and black. Solids come in different shapes, such as round, square, rectangular, triangle, and oblong. And solids come in different sizes, such as large, little, long, short, and tall. They also have texture. It can be smooth or rough surface. Characteristic of liquids. Liquid doesn't have a fixed shape. It takes the shape of its container. Liquid can be poured and can flow quickly or slowly. Liquids come in different colors, including black, white, and yellowish. Some of them are completely colorless, and liquids come in different flavors. Sweet, sour, bitter, or salty are some of the flavors. Liquids have a pleasant or unpleasant odor. Some have no odor. Characteristic of gas. Gas does not have a definite shape and size. The gas expands to fill the container. In the container, air fills and moves freely. The table below summarizes the differences between solid, liquid, and gases. Today, waste is a huge problem, affecting every part of the environment, from our waterways to our atmosphere, from our grassy fields to our forest, from our plants to our people. If we want to make a difference in the fight against waste and pollution, 3 of the best things that we can do is reduce, reuse, and recycle. Reducing. The most suggested method is to reduce the use of materials. Use as little as possible. We need to keep our natural resource, protect the environment, and save money. Conserving our electricity, water, and food are some of the best ways to reduce. Reusing. Instead of throwing things away that you might not use anymore, why not give to someone else? If a toy, piece of furniture, or item of clothing can be fixed, do it and then use it again. Recycling. It is when you use the raw materials from something to make something else. When you recycle these items, they can become new items. For example, the glass, metal and paper from bottles, cans, and cardboard can be used to make other products. This is the Payatas dump site. It is one of the landfills where collected garbage and trash from Metro Manila are dumped. Now, what can you do to help solve our garbage problem? Let's find out the things that we throw away at home and school. Can you classify them according to the trash bins below? Blue for paper, yellow for plastic, green for glass, and brown for organic. What have you learned? You have learned that matter has 3 types: solid, liquid, and gas. Can you state 3 things that you know about solid, liquids, and gas? And give examples of them. For your reflection, fill up the Zero Waste Promise and tell your friends to join you in taking action to make our world zero waste. Let's try out a zero waste lifestyle this week. Here are the 5-day challenges. Complete the task and see how zero waste you can be. For the amazing lesson for today. This is Teacher Christine saying, keep well and safe.